Alright, so today I'm going to do a quick review on the 2-in-1 Fast QI wireless charging pad. Now this pad will work with any phone with wireless charging, Samsung, Android, and Apple, and it can also charge your Apple Watch and your Apple AirPods. So let me start by unboxing this charger real quick. It does include the charging pad and the USB Type-C charger here, and you also receive your manual. So this is a charging pad itself. We got two slots. On this slot, this material is very rubbery and it won't have your phone slipping off. You do have your indicator lights here to see what side is charging, and we do have some bottom grips here so that you can get a good grip of the table, and it is a rubber material. We also have the USB Type-C charger, and this is the USB Type-C charger itself. Alright, so let me start by plugging in the charger here real quick. Once you plug it in, the light will turn on in the middle. So I do have my Apple Watch, and this will work with all generation Apple Watches. And this is the 3rd generation, so let me start by laying the Apple Watch on top of the pad. And as soon as you put it, this is magnetic, so it did automatically pull the Apple Watch towards the pad. The watch is charging, but the light did not turn on. It's basically off. And I have my AirPods Pro. This is a charging case here so that I could use a wireless charging pad with the case. So let me start by inserting the AirPods Pro. And as you can see there, the light turns orange and the right light from the charging pad turns blue. One downside about this light is that even if the product is fully charged, the blue light will not turn off. It will stay lit. And I do have an iPhone XS Max, and this does support wireless charging. So let me take off the AirPods and let me place the phone inside. And as you can see there, it automatically charges the phone. Now, as you saw on the case here, on the case it says 2 phones could be charging at the same time, but this is not true. When I tried to place another iPhone that supports wireless charging, it did not charge both phones at the same time. So that was a complete lie on their part, because this is not true. And another thing about the charging pad is that on the left side, it only charges your Apple Watch. It does not charge any other device. So if I want to enter my AirPods, as you can see there, it does not charge the AirPods, nor does it recognize it. And if I remove the AirPods and I place my iPhone XS Max, as you can see, when I place it on top, nothing basically happens. It does not charge, as you're seeing there on the top battery symbol there. It's not charging or anything. So basically, if you're gonna buy this charging pad, keep in mind you are gonna be charging one device on this side only, and the only device that could be charged on the left side is an Apple Watch. And if you have a case on your AirPods or on your phone, this charging pad still charges it with no problem. If I lay it on top of the pad, as you can see, it charges it automatically. But overall, for $14, this is a good price for this type of charging pad, because it does technically work, even though they say it supports 2 phones at one time, which it doesn't. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.